I am in the Brecksville Metro Parks Reservation, Brecksville, Ohio. And down here I was hiking. I seen all these wood chips. I'm like, what the heck's that all from? Something fell or something's knocking it down, chipping it away. And so I looked up, I seen stuff falling. Sure enough, a woodpecker up there. Hi. It is October 18th, 2021. Mid-October, autumn. So there's some chips falling down. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Or if you could see the woodpecker, but that woodpecker up there is pecking away. And all the wood and all the chips, trees falling down. Pretty cool. I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear the cars, but I can hear the woodpecker pecking away. I hope you could see the woodpecker. I hope you could see it pecking away and the wood chips falling down. Pretty cool. I was on the gorge trail where there's massive boulders in a creek. Chippewa Creek, Chippewa Falls. A lot of little falls but the boulders back in the gorge are huge, really massive. See all these wood chips? One just fell. They're falling right in front of me from that woodpecker up there. All these wood chips. The woodpecker's been really pecking away. This is a bunch of fresh bark and wood from the tree falling down. Pretty cool. Gotta use your senses. See the chips falling down? Gotta use your senses when you're out in nature. There's a chipmunk over there. I'm seeing a lot of chipmunks. You gotta look and listen and watch. Your eyes and ears. And you see a lot of cool stuff.